Hey guys, I'm Krista.
And I'm Haley.
And this is Cooking in the Cove.
Tonight we're gonna make some teriyaki chicken and shrimp bowls. Okay, so let's go over the ingredients and we can get started. We have some chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces, some shrimp, and then for the sauce we have some sugar, pineapple juice, soy sauce, garlic, and ginger. We're gonna start off by using a little bit of avocado oil to sear the chicken. We're just going to cook this until it's golden brown on all sides, and then we're going to make the sauce and let it simmer. Okay, so this has been cooking for about 5 minutes and it looks pretty good. So we're going to make the sauce now. I'm going to go ahead and make it in a separate bowl since we have some sugar, just so I can get it to dissolve a little before we put it into the pan. So this is some soy sauce. We have some pineapple juice. We're using white sugar. Some garlic. And some fresh ginger. Now we'll just mix all that together. That should be good, and now we'll just add it to our chicken. I'm just going to go ahead and turn this back on. All right, now that this is simmering, we're going to go ahead and add our shrimp. And we'll just let that simmer together until the shrimp is done. This has been at a simmer for about 5 minutes. Now we're going to go ahead and add a cornstarch slurry just to thicken it up a little bit. And we'll just stir that in and wait for it to thicken the sauce for us. Okay, so this has been simmering for about 10 minutes. It's looking pretty good. We're going to go ahead and plate it. We have to pineapple poured it out. Just some regular white rice. Get a good scoop of chicken and shrimp. Alright, so it's time to try a bite. I'm going to get me some of the shrimp.
I'll try the chicken. Wow.
That shrimp's cooked. Really good. Try the shrimp. Oh, that's good.
We're over here stuffing our faces because it's so good. All right, that's a fabulous recipe. You need to try it.
And it's so pretty.
And it's easy. It's so easy. There was, what, 6 ingredients, 7 ingredients? All right, you guys, this is great for summertime. Try it. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.